Create a gradient using the gradient tool. Linear, radial, any gradient. Go to Filters and then down to Blur and Motion Blur, just to blur it. You can change the radius as well as the rotation, and you can do that interactively. Once you're happy with your blurred gradient, click Apply. Then go to Filters and down to Colours and Halftone. The default's monochrome. Now I don't want that, I want circular. It's down the bottom of the screen, so circular. Then you can modify the cell size. You can reduce it or increase it, and you can see the black and the white areas. And also you can modify the contrast. I'm going to keep it to the max. So once you're happy with your halftone effect, click Apply. Then go to Filters and Distort and Mirror. Mirror is a brilliant filter. You can modify the number of mirrors. Now 1 is the default. You can change that. You can put it to 10 or 15. As you change that, you can see what happens. You get this mirror effect. Really dramatic with the black and white. And you can modify the input and output. I'm just going to put it origin point right down the bottom instead of having the origin at the centre. So just position it there. And you can continue to modify the number of mirrors. But I think about 10 is about the best. And click Apply. Now you might want to colour it, you might want to keep it black and white. You can go to Layer and New Adjustment Layer, and you can use all those adjustments. But another quick way of doing it, just go to the Shape tool, Rectangle, and I'm just going to create a rectangle right over that entire thing. And you can see what you've got there, layers. You can just go through the blending modes. You can set it to darken, multiply, colour burn, lighter colour, and so on. Just run through them. And of course you can change the gradient. You don't need to keep it like that. It can be any gradient. You can also click on the filter top left and go to colour and just make a solid colour. So you can have it red or green or yellow. And there's your dramatic design.